Welcome to my channel. Top 20 Foods High in Potassium. Discover the top 20 foods that are rich in potassium, an essential mineral vital for maintaining proper bodily functions. From delicious sweet potatoes and creamy avocados to nutritious spinach and hearty white beans, this list showcases diverse options to boost your potassium intake. Whether you're seeking a fruit like a pomegranate or a protein source like salmon, these foods provide an excellent way to support your overall health and well-being. So let's explore the potassium-packed world of these nourishing foods. Before starting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 20. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts, those small cruciferous vegetables closely related to cabbage, may not be everyone's favorite, but they are worth a try for their health benefits. Besides being rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, Brussels sprouts also pack a lot of potassium. With around 494 milligrams per cooked cup, they make for a nutritious addition to your meals, promoting optimal potassium levels and supporting overall well-being. Number 19. Clams. Clams, the mollusks that inhabit the ocean, are not only a delectable seafood option, but also a notable source of potassium. With approximately 534 milligrams per 3-ounce serving, clams offer a substantial dose of this essential mineral. In addition to their potassium content, clams provide protein, vitamins, and minerals. Incorporating these nutrient-rich shellfish into your diet can help support healthy bodily functions and contribute to a well-rounded nutritional profile. Number 18. Butternut squash. Butternut squash, with its sweet and meaty flavor, is a fall favorite and a potassium powerhouse. A cooked cup of butternut squash contains around 582 milligrams of potassium, making it an excellent choice for boosting your intake of this vital mineral. Incorporate this versatile vegetable into your meals for a healthy potassium boost. Number 17. Orange juice. Orange juice, a refreshing and tangy beverage, is an excellent source of vitamin C and packs a considerable amount of potassium. Approximately 496 milligrams per cup provides a flavorful and nutritious way to increase your potassium intake. Enjoy a glass of orange juice to support your overall health and well-being. Number 16. Prunes. Prunes, the dried version of plums, are known for their natural sweetness and high potassium content. With approximately 637 milligrams per half-cup serving, prunes offer a convenient and tasty way to boost your potassium levels. Including prunes in your diet can support proper bodily functions and overall health. Number 15. Beet greens. Beet greens, the leafy tops of beets, are to be noticed when it comes to potassium content. Packed with nutrients, beet greens offer around 654 milligrams of potassium per cooked cup. Incorporating these vibrant greens into your meals can provide a flavorful and nutritious way to increase your potassium intake and support your well-being. Number 14. Tomato paste. Tomato paste, a concentrated form of tomatoes, is a surprising source of potassium. Approximately 664 milligrams per half-cup serving can significantly contribute to your potassium intake. In addition to its versatility in cooking, tomato paste provides a convenient and flavorful way to add this essential mineral to your diet. Number 13. Black beans. Black beans, a popular legume, provide a rich source of protein and fiber and offer a substantial amount of potassium. With approximately 611 milligrams per cooked cup, they are an excellent choice for boosting your potassium intake. Incorporate black beans into your meals for a nutritious and satisfying potassium-packed option. Number 12. Edamame. Edamame, young soybeans harvested before they fully mature, are a nutritious and delicious snack that is also high in potassium. With around 676 milligrams per cooked cup, edamame significantly boosts this essential mineral. Enjoy these vibrant green pods as a potassium-rich addition to your diet. Number 11. Bananas. Bananas, the iconic yellow fruit, are renowned for their potassium content. With approximately 358 milligrams per medium-sized banana, they are a convenient and tasty way to replenish your potassium levels. Bananas make for a perfect snack or addition to smoothies, providing a natural and delicious source of this vital mineral. Number 10. Yogurt. Yogurt, a creamy and versatile dairy product, offers probiotics and calcium and contains a notable amount of potassium. With approximately 380 milligrams per cup, yogurt provides a nutritious and delicious way to increase potassium intake. Enjoy it as a snack or incorporate it into your meals for added nutritional benefits. Number 9. Acorn squash. Acorn squash, a winter squash variety, is a flavorful and nutrient-rich vegetable that is also high in potassium. With approximately 899 milligrams per cooked cup, acorn squash is a fantastic source of this essential mineral. Including acorn squash in your meals can help support a healthy potassium balance and promote overall well-being. Number 8. Coconut water. Coconut water, the refreshing and hydrating liquid found inside coconuts, is a thirst quencher and a natural source of potassium. Approximately 600 milligrams per cup provides a significant dose of this essential mineral. Enjoying coconut water can help maintain electrolyte balance, support proper muscle function, and replenish potassium levels in the body. Stay hydrated and nourished with this potassium-rich beverage. Number 7. Pomegranate. Pomegranate, with its vibrant red arils and tangy sweet taste, is a delicious fruit and a good source of potassium. With approximately 400 milligrams per medium-sized fruit, pomegranate offers a nutritious and flavorful way to boost your potassium intake. Enjoy the juicy arils or use the juice in various culinary creations for a potassium-rich treat. Number 6. Dried apricots. Dried apricots, the concentrated form of this juicy fruit, are a convenient and tasty snack, but also a high source of potassium. With approximately 407 milligrams per half-cup serving, dried apricots provide a concentrated dose of this essential mineral. Enjoy them as a potassium-rich addition to your trail mix or as a standalone treat. Number 5. Salmon. Salmon, a delicious and nutritious fatty fish, is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and contains a notable amount of potassium. With approximately 414 milligrams per 3-ounce serving, salmon provides a healthy dose of this essential mineral. Enjoy this flavorful fish to support your potassium intake and overall well-being. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach, the leafy green powerhouse, is rich in iron and vitamins and packs a significant amount of potassium. With approximately 419 milligrams per cooked cup, spinach provides a nutritious and versatile way to increase potassium intake. Add this nutrient-dense vegetable to your salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes for a healthy potassium boost. Number 3. Avocado. Avocado, the creamy and nutritious fruit, is not only known for its healthy fats, but also for its high potassium content. With approximately 487 milligrams per medium-sized avocado, it offers a substantial dose of this essential mineral. Incorporate avocado into your meals to enjoy its unique flavor and boost your potassium intake. Number 2. White beans. White beans, also known as navy beans, are a versatile and nutrient-dense legume that packs a significant amount of potassium. With approximately 502 milligrams per half-cup serving, white beans substantially boost this essential mineral. Incorporate these creamy beans into soups, stews, or salads for a delicious and potassium-rich addition to your diet. Number 1. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, the versatile root vegetable with a natural sweetness, are not only delicious but also a great source of potassium. With approximately 694 milligrams per medium-sized potato, sweet potatoes offer a substantial amount of this essential mineral. In addition to potassium, they provide fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your meals can support healthy blood pressure levels, aid in muscle function, and promote overall well-being. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates.